In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Dear students, welcome to Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar, for e-learning program. Dear students, this is lecture number 1 of week number 5 for the subject of Social Studies 4, Class 5. This video lecture is for revision of lesson. The main topics will be 1. Maps and kinds. 2. Longitude and latitude. 3. Equator and prime meridian, IDL. 4. Elements of map. 5. Atlas. Dear students, today we are going to have an interactive session. Along with teacher, 2 students of grade 5 will give their responses. It is hoped this will be beneficial for you all. So, let's go to revise. Students, there are 3 characters in this video lecture. First one, in the center of the screen, is the teacher of social studies to grade 5. Along with teacher, there are 2 students. On the right-hand side of the teacher is Dua Fatima. She is an intelligent student of grade 5. While on the left-hand side of the teacher is Ashura. She is also an intelligent and hardworking student of grade 5. Both students have learned all topics of the lesson and they will give their responses to different questions and topics. Students, are you ready? Should we proceed? Well, Ashura and Dua Fatima, we want to know, what did you learn in this lesson? How was your experience? Please share with all of us. First Dua and then Ashura. Dua, here you go.
Hello sir, I am Dua Fatma, student of grade 5. As a whole, this chapter is very interesting. The topic how to study a map was interesting. I learned about directions, cardinal and intercardinal directions. Then we learned about scale, key and grid. All these are the basic elements of a map.
Hello, sir. I am Aisha, student of grade 5. We learned many new concepts in an interesting way. Some topics are worth mentioning are example, map and its kinds, equator, longitude and latitude, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashura and Dua, for your responses. Interesting, students. So, let's begin with very first question. And that is, what is a map? And what are its kinds? Dua Fatima, please answer this question. You can get the clue for this image.
Sir, map, the drawing made to show any area of earth on a flat surface. Map is very helpful in our daily life. There are 3 kinds of map. These are physical, political and relief map.
Fantastic, Dua. Students, map is the drawing made to show any area of earth on a flat surface. There are 3 types of maps. These are political, physical and relief maps. The next question is from Ashura. Ashura, are you ready? Fine. Can you recognize this map? Tell us the type of map.
Sir, I do remember it, so I will tell you. This is a physical map because the map which shows mountains, hills, rivers and landform is called physical map.
Great, Ashura, you are intelligent. Yes, students, it's a physical map. The next question is from Dua Fatima. Dua Beta, are you ready? Should I ask question? Fine. Can you recognize this map? Tell us the type of map.
Sir, this is a political map because we learned that the map shows towns, cities and borders between countries is called political map.
Amazing. I am happy that you learned the topic very well. Students, it's a political map because there are borders. The next question is again from Intelligent Eshur. Eshur, are you ready? Should I ask question? Fine. Can you recognize this map? Tell us the type of map.
Sir, this is a relief map because the map which shows height of mountains, hills is called relief map. Thank you.
Fabulous. Eshur, you are great. Students, a relief map shows the height of mountain and hills. The next question is from Eshur. No, it's from Dua Fatima. Dua Beta. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Well, the question is, can you recognize these lines running from east to west? You can get the clue from the image shown.
Sir, this topic was interesting and I remember well. So I will tell. The lines which run from east to west are called parallels of latitude. They are parallel to each other but are of different lengths.
Very good. These are parallels of latitude. Well, the next question is from Eshur, and the question is, can you recognize these lines running from north to south? You can get the clue from the image shown.
Sir, this topic was very interesting and I enjoyed a lot. The lines which run from north to south are called longitude. They are not paralleling but are from equal length. Thank you.
Excellent. Your memory is very good. Students, these are meridians of longitude. The next question is from Eshur. Dua Beta. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Well, this is my favorite question. What does IDL stands for? And what does you know about this?
Sir, IDL stands for International Date Line. It is an imaginary line quite opposite to prime meridian and it is at 180 degree. When we cross it, we can get or lose a day. Thank you.
Amazing, Dua, you're very smart. I am impressed. The next question is again from Intelligent Dua. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Fine. The question is, how do we show direction on a map?
Sir, the compass rose helps us to find the direction on the map. There are 4 cardinal directions and 4 intercardinal directions. North is always towards the top of the map.
You impressed me, Dua. Students, by 4 cardinal directions which are north, south, east and west and 4 intercardinal directions we can easily find the directions on the map. The next question is from Eshur. Eshur Beta. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Well, this is my favorite question. How can we find the exact location of a place on a map?
Sir, it is very simple. We can find the exact location of any place with the help of longitudes and latitudes and their grid reference. By this, we can find the location of any place towards east and west and towards north or south. Thank you.
Lovely answer. You are great. The next question is again from Intelligent Dua. Eshur. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Fine. The question is, what is the importance of map key?
Sir, there are many elements of a map, but the key is the element which shows symbols and colors used on the map. It helps us to get an important information from the map.
Very impressive and correct answer. The next question is again from Intelligent Eshur. Eshur. Are you ready? Should I ask question? Fine. The question is, what do you know about Atlas?
Sir, the book which contains different maps is called an atlas. Atlas has numerous maps of different kinds and purposes. I have seen an atlas in our library that was very colorful and was full of maps. At the end, there was a page containing list of all map. Yes, that was index page. The list was in alphabetic order. Thank you.
Well done Aisha and Fatima. I am really happy and impressed by the performances of both of you. Very good and keep it up. Dear class, let's clap for both. The message of today is: success is the sum total of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Means if we continue our efforts and not accept defeat, we can get success in any field. Being a student, you all have to continue your efforts to get success in your studies and all other spheres of life. Thank you for being attentive. Take care. See you all in our next session.